Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cars and bring you everything you need to know. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at a highly anticipated car that's about to hit the roads, the 2025 Lincoln MKZ. This car has been a long time coming, and there's been a lot of excitement around its release, so let's break down all the key features, the performance, design, and what sets it apart from the competition. First off, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 Lincoln MKZ has undergone a complete redesign, and it shows. The front of the car has a sleek, bold look, with a wide, trapezoidal grille that adds a modern, upscale vibe to the vehicle. The sharp LED headlights have a crisp, contemporary design that makes the car stand out even when viewed from a distance. The profile of the car is low and athletic, with subtle curves that give it a fluid, elegant shape. The 2025 MKZ looks both luxurious and sporty, a balance that Lincoln has always strived for, and it's clear that they've succeeded. The new MKZ is also available in a range of striking colors, from classic blacks and whites to more vibrant tones that match the car's dynamic personality. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 MKZ is nothing short of luxurious. Lincoln has always been known for offering high-end materials, and this model continues that tradition. The seats are upholstered in premium leather that feels soft yet durable, and they provide excellent comfort for both the driver and passengers. The cabin is spacious, with plenty of room for taller individuals to stretch out and enjoy the ride. The dashboard features a clean and minimalistic design, with a large digital display that controls most of the car's functions. This setup not only looks modern but is also intuitive and easy to navigate. Whether you're adjusting the climate control or accessing navigation, everything is at your fingertips. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Lincoln MKZ doesn't disappoint. The infotainment system is powered by a large touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This means you can easily connect your smartphone and access your apps, music, and navigation without any hassle. The system is quick to respond and has a sleek, high-resolution interface that makes using it a pleasure. Additionally, Lincoln has included a robust sound system, and you'll get crystal-clear audio with deep bass and clear treble. For those who love driving with music, this feature alone is worth considering. Under the hood, the 2025 MKZ offers a range of powertrains that should appeal to a variety of drivers. There's a choice of hybrid and traditional gas engine options, giving buyers the flexibility to choose based on their driving preferences and fuel efficiency needs. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that provides a solid balance between power and fuel economy. For those seeking more performance, the MKZ is also available with a more powerful V6 engine, which offers a more engaging driving experience with plenty of acceleration and passing power. The hybrid powertrain delivers impressive efficiency, making the MKZ an excellent option for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing luxury or performance. Driving the 2025 MKZ is an absolute pleasure. The car offers a smooth, comfortable ride thanks to its refined suspension system, and it handles corners with confidence. The steering is light but responsive, and the brakes offer a solid feel with plenty of stopping power. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, the MKZ offers a quiet, composed ride that's ideal for long drives or quick commutes. One of the standout features of the 2025 MKZ is its advanced safety technology. Lincoln has included a comprehensive suite of safety features as standard on this model, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These features work together to enhance the overall driving experience and provide added peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Additionally, the MKZ has earned high marks in safety tests, making it a reliable and secure choice for those who prioritize safety. Now, let's talk about the price. While the 2025 MKZ isn't exactly cheap, it's priced competitively when compared to other luxury sedans in its class. The base model starts at a reasonable price, with higher trim levels offering additional luxury features